Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tozhleshea. If you are not subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Even turn that notification bell on so you don't miss a beat. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Y'all, this is my third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time making this introduction because this whole freaking time, every time I was talking, it wasn't recording. I'm so irritated. So irritated. Those of you that are subscribed and you are returning, thank you so much. So let's get into this video right quick. So if you watched my previous video about the Beyani hair, you've seen that I was not expecting the hair to be the texture it was at all. It did not look anything like they pictured on the on their website. It was like it was just such a totally different wave pattern and texture than I expected. I will leave pictures right here for you guys to see really quick what I'm talking about, because I did make a wig out of the hair and I did end up washing it and kind of getting it together, and it did turn out really nice. The waves did loosen up more, but I really feel like the hair was more of a loose curl instead of a loose wave. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave pictures and videos right here. The hair that I made with the Beyani hair. This is how it turned out. The reason why I'm making this video really quick is because I spoke with the company and they said a lot of people have been confused on what the texture of loose wave is, okay? And they have actually offered me to, it looks so brassy for some reason on camera. But anyways, they have offered me to, yes, I messed up. I was going to fix all that, but I guess all that doesn't really matter right now. But they have actually offered me to send the hair back. So that is what I am going to do. But I wanted to show you guys really quick how the wig looked. They also let me know that the frontal, they don't have the frontals for this. So it's just, everything was basically a misunderstanding. They didn't realize that people were going to be obviously name matching what the tags say, you know, wavy, loose wave. You know, we all thought that this is what, you know, well, not this, but that they were all going to match and be like the same type of textures and all that stuff. But yeah. So they are accepting the entire wig the way that I just made. So we're just going to send it back. And I just want to show you guys really quick. And I will be showing you the new hair. And we'll see how that works. Okay, thanks. Bye. In regards to the hair, the company actually, I'm sorry if I look a mess, y'all. I just threw on something right quick because my hair is not done and it looks so crazy. But anyways, in regards to the hair, the company actually contacted me on Instagram, and they were just like, so many people were so confused on the loose wave. They had no idea what the texture of the hair or pattern of the hair truly was, and that it was basically, they were just like, it was their fault for the misunderstanding, that they should have put better pictures and, you know, inform people much better than they did. So with that being said, they offered me a discount on my next purchase, and they also offered to take the hair back and send me more hair. So I went ahead and let them take the hair back. Now, they even took the hair back after I made a unit. I did not install it. I never wore it, obviously. As you can see in the pictures, I just had it on the mannequin head. But they took it back as is, which was really cool. Like, I appreciate that. You know, their customer service, for one, is A1. If their hair isn't that great, their customer service will definitely have you coming back. But, you know, this neither here nor there, because they're not sponsoring this video, you know what I'm saying? But we're going to get there, don't we? Okay. But anyway, so I actually had them send me the hair back, like I said. And here is the hair. Okay, so this time I got the Brazilian body wave. And the inches 22, y'all. 28, 28. 26 and 24. Oops. So I'm going to show you guys what this hair is looking like. So here it is. I'm going to get a close up on it. As you can see, off the back, It is full of fillers. But this hair is really soft. Here's the ends. It's really soft. It does have like a small little scent to it, but not like nothing, not like the last hair. The last hair had a crazy smell to it, but this one doesn't. Let's do this little test I seen somebody do. Here is, it's full of fillers. But like I said, it's really, really soft. I am not experiencing any shedding like I did the last hair, which is a good thing. What the heck? Y'all. Beyani got me messed up. I want to speak to Beyani. They got me messed up. So I told you guys I got the body wave hair, correct? Here's my 24-inch. If you can see, that's body wave. Why the hell I got a bone straight 26-inch? Lord, look at this. If y'all see my don't judge me. I told you I just threw something on right quick. Why is this bone straight? Now, if you've seen the last video, my frontal did not match my bundles. And they also said that was a misunderstanding as well, because they didn't have the HD frontal for the Indian loose wave. So I don't know how that was I don't know where that confusion came from. But y'all, look at this. Bone damn straight. 26-inch bone straight with body wave bundles. Now, I know this company means well. You know what I mean? Like I said, their customer service is great. But somebody got to come on with this. Somebody has got to come on with this. And you know what's crazy is my 26 inches is longer than my 28 inches. Now they're side by side. My 26 is longer than my 28. Let's see this. The fillers in this one. The fillers aren't as bad. I can't believe that they gave me a bone straight bundle. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just keep these bundles. And go ahead and just make the unit out of it once again. But I will let them know, like, y'all gave me a bone straight bundle. Now, the pros to this is, if you do get bone straight, it is way softer than the body wave. And it's obviously, you get way longer hair than what you thought you were going to get. Crazy. I cannot. I am. So anyways, long story short, I will be making a unit out of this hair. If you would like to see the end result to this, I will try my best to get it done within these next 2 days to see how it looks. In my next video, I'll put in, what it looks like when it's wet. Does it go back to the natural? Well, not does it go back, but does it look like body wave when it's wet in its natural wave pattern, or does it actually go bone straight? And I can't believe these fools sent me a bone straight bundle. But like I said, this is so soft. I can't believe how much softer it is than the body wave. The body wave is soft, y'all, but this bone straight though, wow. I can't believe this. This is crazy. Hopefully they'll get it together soon. But for right now, this is what I'm working with. So that's it for right now. Make sure you guys, again, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and please leave a comment down below on anything else you wanted to see. If there's something that I did not mention that you want to answer to, leave a comment down below. I respond right away. And I think that's it. Bye.